Hello ladies, today I want to ask you, what is your favorite texture? Deep body wave, kinky curly, silky straight, or kinky straight? They are all great options of hair extensions to choose from Magic Hair Company. The two textures that we will talk about today is our beautiful kinky curly, as you see here pictured, and our kinky straight. If you are looking for a curly natural look, go for our kinky curly textured hair. This matches lots of different types of curl patterns from 3C, many different types of hair patterns that are like afro kinky type of curly hair, still very easy to maintain. You can also choose our kinky straight, as you see pictured here. This is a great option if you want more of that relaxed or blow dried out look. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company. We have a lot of different textures. We have a few different lace constructions. If you want the best glueless lace wigs, shop with us.